Meaning of flair.
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 Flair. Flair can refer to a distinctive or stylish way of doing something, or a special aptitude or talent. It can also mean a decorative or ornamental feature, such as a distinctive touch added to clothing or home decor. Overall, flair implies a unique and creative approach to something, often resulting in a sense of panache or impressive style. Whether it's displayed in fashion, art, or other areas, flair suggests a certain level of skill and artistic vision that sets the individual or object apart and makes them stand out.